Tired of spending hours designing PowerPoint slides? What if AI could do it for you? Meet Gamma AI, the future of presentations, documents, and web pages. No more endless tweaking of fonts, colors, or layouts. Gamma AI does the hard work for you. In this video, I'll give you a quick introduction to Gamma AI and show you what it can do. They currently have 3 plans: Free, Plus, and Pro. I have already signed up and am using their free plan. Once you log in, on the homepage you see the gammas which you have created. These are nothing but the projects or documents you are currently working on. As I am using their free plan, I have limited credits available. Credits let you create and edit with AI. You can get unlimited credits by subscribing to a paid plan. Alternatively, you can refer others to Gamma using your unique referral link, and you'll both earn credits when they sign up. On the left, you will see any gammas shared with you from other workspaces. You can use sites to create multi-page websites like business websites, personal homepages, landing pages, online courses, etc. You can also generate AI images by giving some prompt on what you are looking for. You can create folders and organize gammas by topics. You have a list of ready-made templates available to get started. You can view one of these templates or preview them. You can define your own themes, control the colors, fonts, logo, and design of your gammas. Build your own, import a PPT, or customize a standard theme. We can also upload our existing presentation and save the theme from it. Let's see how you can create your first gamma. There is an option to import your existing files. Import with AI option will enhance the existing content in your file. But let's say I want to create a presentation for which I have already created content and outline. We can paste our content and select whether we want to create a presentation or a web page or a document or a social. You can select the page style and click on Continue. Gamma is now creating a presentation draft for our entered content. Here you can see we have a total of 10 cards created. Click on Continue and choose a theme of your choice. You can see the preview and even select one of your pre-created themes. Gamma AI is now creating the final presentation, fully formatted, visually stunning deck with images, structured sections, and key talking points. And if I don't like a slide, I can easily tweak the text, images, or design in just a few clicks. Don't close this tab while generation is in progress. You have a lot of editing options on the right panel for adding new cards, changing layout, adding charts and diagrams, adding images, and embedding apps and web pages. User can also collaborate and share with other users or export the document. Now using AI, let's see the other option to generate presentation by just giving a short prompt and let Gamma do the rest. As you see, it is creating a proper outline with all important topics and has created 8 cards in total. You can add more cards or choose your preferred theme. Once you are ready, click on Generate. I am seeing the generated presentation in present mode. Just look at how nicely it covers important aspects and provides you with a good starting point for your pitch. Saves a lot of time and helps you prepare an initial draft within a few seconds. Isn't it amazing? And there you go. In just a few minutes, we created a fully functional professional presentation using Gamma AI. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the new videos. And tell me in the comments, what topic would you try generating with Gamma AI? See you in the next one.